I feel pretty confident saying it's going to be before April 1st that we will begin operating out of the Montgomery College Germantown campus. And at the recommendation of the state, when they visited and in subsequent meetings with us, they recommend a ramp up regardless of whether you've got the vaccines or not. So even for the mass vaccination sites across the state, they start operating around 250 doses a day, and they ramp up progressively over time, so that you can, obviously be able to, make sure that your system works logistically to do it. Right now, we're doing about 1,500 doses a day or can do at each of the respective high school sites. So I would imagine that the Montgomery College Germantown campus would probably, regardless of the sort of inclusion of additional doses from the state, be able to get up to that 1,000 to 1,500 doses a day level. That's the way this is going to work. We're going to get the initial site set up before April 1st, and then expand onto it with additional capacity and capability so that we can meet that April 15th timeline for when all of the partners had agreed that we wanted to be able, if the vaccine's available, to do the 3,000 doses a day.
So part of it, we would be shifting from, as Dr. Stoddard mentioned, we would be shifting our operations from some of those other sites to be able to support. And I also want to emphasize is that we are not putting all of our eggs into one basket into Germantown. We are going to stand up vaccine opportunities at multiple other sites as well to be able to increase contact points for our residents to be able to access.
I know that there was some, comments from the governor. We absolutely, I've no disagreement with the governor necessarily at all, but I just want to make clear that we're getting great support from the state agencies across the board. Working with the Maryland National Guard and Maryland Department of Health on laying out, designing, planning for, building out, and acquiring the infrastructure necessary to operate a site at Montgomery College in Germantown.
4 cities in Montgomery County rank among America's 10 most diverse towns. Be on top of the stories happening in our diverse community that impact your life. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.